G'day. Today we're going to have a chat to a Vanlife veteran of 4.5 years. Currently living in his Toyota Hiace Pop top. Let's go and say g'day. G'day, g'day.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, good mate.
Good?
Yourself?
Yeah, not bad.
What are you up to?
Yeah, not much. Just living the dream.
Nice, living the dream, kicking back.
Yeah. Got a few plans, taking care of them.
Maybe we'll start with what's your name?
My name is Igor. I'm from Italy and I discovered like the travel life and I started to travel in Australia. And here I am after 7 years. And bought a van, traveling pretty much since 4 years in Australia, a year in New Zealand, up and down in America, and just doing van life. Yeah, this is my life. I discovered new life.
What do you do for work?
At the moment I'm a painter, but then my plan was becoming a dive master.
So how long have you been living in a van?
In the van is approximately like 4.5 years, like in different countries, and probably 2.5 only in Australia. Down the loop, traveled pretty much all the coast, and then once more, which was from Melbourne, Adelaide, and Adelaide, all the outback till Darwin.
And what type of van is it?
So this is a Toyota Hiace from '89.
Yep.
It's a diesel, and that's automatic one.
Right, auto.
I like Toyota Hiace because they got like the pop-up things. There with pop-up, I always like the idea, stand, and like here I can get, as many people as I want in my van, sitting and chilling all together.
Yeah.
We fit like 8 people in the same time in the van.
Awesome.
This van got like the tent as well, so when it's raining, we can chill, me and my friend, we can chill under this kind of shed, you know?
Yeah.
Some people inside playing music. Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's a big awning. It's I mean that'll pull out for a pretty good way.
Yeah.
Is it a boy or girl?
This is Bonnie. His
Bonnie.
name is Bonnie. I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl yet. I don't know, as I feel.
Right.
Sometimes I feel like talking with her, and sometimes I feel like talking with my mate, and it's different.
Yeah.
When it's raining, for sure it's a boy.
Yeah. Did you convert it yourself? Oh, him?
Not really. When I found this van was already set up.
Yep.
I just bought it like this and was perfect. I didn't, maybe some change, was kind of empty, so just changed something, but the setup was already like that. So with the kitchen and the bed and the couch, I like to make it different sometimes, so like to fold it back as a bed, king size bed, or when I got friends like now, like beautiful couch, with a lot of pillows.
All right, well, let's make a real
tour.
Yeah, let's do a tour.
Sure. Here I got the alarm clock, brand new because I broke my phone. So I tried to live without phone and with the alarm clock, but I didn't really like the idea, so I went back to the phone. Yeah, just come in.
Yeah, cool. So, nice little ukulele.
Yeah, still it's kind of new, but I like it. I like it so far. It's easier than a guitar. That's my mirror, broken one.
Beautiful.
But it's still a mirror.
Lucky mirror.
Yeah, not really. 7 years bad luck, but it's alright.
Yeah. What have we got going on out from here?
2 gas stoves. One is the original.
Yep.
It's sitting on the bottom, which got like 3 stove. And I just bought this one because it was making easier to me.
Right.
To when I camping outside, I can just take it out. I got like microwave in there.
Yeah.
Which at the moment is a kind of storage.
Nice.
It's brand new, but I don't use it. I got a fridge as well.
So you got a fridge, is that 240 or 12 volt, or how does
So this van can work 240 as well when it's plugged in with the power lid.
Yep.
I got deep cycle battery in this van. So at the moment it's like when I drive in, I turn it on, and when I stopped, I just turn it off.
That's a 12 volt that runs off the batteries.
Yeah.
Yeah, from your deep cycle that's charged by your motor.
Yeah.
And what have you got, a cupboard space there?
Yeah, we got some cabin, which I keep in my clothes, my wetsuit, or everything I need, Just on top of the fridge, I got like a mirror. The mirror is like with 2 doors. One is on top, so I can just fold it like that. In there, I keep all my stuff for making jewellery, making painting, drawers, so when it's raining, sometimes it's raining in Byron, I like to paint, I like to make jewellery, so all this kind of, artist things.
Yep.
Just keep it in there.
Give us a look at your jewellery.
So that's one of the first. They are like one shell. Picked it up in Koh Lipe in Thailand while I was diving, and I made it on this beach.
Yep.
So I just put an elephant walking on the same line. It's a strong meaning, and I want to give it to my mom. This is one shell while I was picking plastic, like always. Some bracelet like that, different shells. That's the stuff I make when I'm bored.
Nice. So do you sell these, or you just make them and...
Sometimes I give it as a present to important people I meet on the way.
Yep.
Sometimes I'm making markets or wherever, working on the street and sell it. The back here got my...
Skateboard.
I won't call it... Yeah, skateboard, surf skate, you know, it's my toy.
Yeah.
It's kind of new, but it's good fun because it's smoothie and carver.
Just show us how you've got it attached there.
I just put these things in here.
Right.
And
what is it?
skateboard
Just, something from Bunnings, that thing, is it?
Yeah, just the easy things, you know. I just put a screw on it with some tapes, otherwise come off every time.
Yep.
And they didn't want to scratch my skateboard, so I just put some tape on the edge of this little piece of metal. And to put it back, same system. And that's it. That's the skateboard, that's, you know, the hanger. This skateboard hold as well my curtain, my back curtain.
Right.
So yeah, everything works together.
What else you got tucked away inside, mate?
I got a few plants on the back as well.
Yep.
I got a sink under that board.
Okay,
So
yeah.
I can use the board for chopping my veggies.
Yep.
I got a chopping board on top of my microwave.
Uh-huh.
And then, or I can chop there, wherever, you know, I feel like.
Yep.
When I got some dirty dishes, when it's raining or whatever, I got a sink with the pipes, with a hose.
How many litres?
It's approximately 35, enough to clean up and wash up everything.
Yeah, for sure.
Front of there I got like the couch.
Yep.
Got some storage under the couch as well. Plenty of space, you know, which I usually put in there like jerry cans or, you know, oil, my mask, my fins, my
Right.
my tools, my toys, you know, everything is in there hiding.
So do you normally sleep with it on the single, or you make it up every night?
Depends. No, not every night. When I got friends, for sure it's like that. Yeah, but I prefer actually like that. Can get in from here, get out from there, you know. And
What's the coolest thing you've got on the van?
the coolest things, I got few coolest things, you know.
Right.
This is my brand new baby. I got few surfboard. I got 5 surfboard. That's brand new. As you can see, it's very clean, so it's a good toy. It's the coolest things probably is this one and the skateboard.
Right, and the skateboard. Where do you normally stay at night? Where do you normally pull up and sleep?
I like to stay on the beach. I don't like the idea of sleeping in the camping ground. I like to wake up in the morning, make my coffee, just go on the beach, drink my coffee, go surfing if my friends are around, you know.
What do you love most about living in a van?
The first one is like living outdoor,
Yep.
which to me is like feeling very connected with nature. I can do a lot of things all day long. I never bored. I never want to watch my phone or never want to start my computer. As you can see, I don't have TV here.
Yeah.
Here you can play guitar, you can do many things, and this is part of the game living in the van. You're always busy. That's like the things I like of the van life. And second probably is like you meet a lot of people on the way. 4 years living in a van, I met like such good people coming from everywhere around the world, and I'm very grateful for that. Yeah.
What's your favourite thing about Bonnie, about your van?
The pop-up, yeah.
The pop-up, yeah, right.
The pop-up I was saying before, and it's like a great idea. Pop-up things, you know, we're standing now, and we got a surfboard here as well.
Yeah.
So we still got like 20 centimeters here. It's nice, you know, when it's raining outside, you can just cook in here. People can sit in there as where you are, you know, and you know, it's making things easier.
What would your number one tip be for anybody thinking about getting into van life?
Just do it. Just don't think about like comfort zone anymore. This is the comfort zone. Living in the van is learning every day. but not about other people, it's about learning about yourself as well. Like most of the time when you are alone in the van and maybe it's like bad weather, you're just here, you cannot get out, you cannot go, no one are around you, you know, and you're just thinking.
What made you get into van life to start with?
Few different things, I guess. I mean, Australia was great opportunity. I think back in Europe it's kind of harder.
Yep.
It's kind of tricky to sleep in the van because we got many cities around, big cities. So you're not allowed to sleep in the car parks, you're not allowed to sleep on the beach or wherever.
Yeah.
When I saw the lifestyle in Western Australia, when I started there, the people was just doing great with buses and vans and everything. So I just was thinking, that's me. I can make this life, you know, this is the life I want to do. And here I am, not in Western Australia anymore, but in East Coast, you know.
So how long were you over West Coast for?
Probably 2 years, up to 2 years.
Yeah.
Love West Coast, yeah.
Recommend it?
Yeah, definitely.
Right.
Western Australia to me is like what I believe in Australia is, what I think in Australia is. Everything is red, you're in the outback, you cannot hitchhike, no one passed by. You travel with some jerry cans on your roof for fuel. It's different than Europe for sure.
All right, mate. Well, thanks a lot for introducing us to Bonnie and giving us the tour.
Yeah, thank you.
One more question before we do go.
Yeah.
Would you ever ditch van life and move back into a house?
No, for sure not. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. I'm gonna find probably a house very close to the beach, but you know, probably a boat would be better. Yeah, sailing boat. Van life to me is important for my soul, you know. At the moment I feel like living just in the van. I'm not looking for a house.
Awesome, mate. Well, thanks a lot.
Thank
Igor.
you.
We'll see you soon. And
yeah, see ya. I can
safe
make wherever you
travels.
want.
Yeah, awesome,
Yeah.
mate. Safe travels.